Want to transform your ordinary photos into eye-catching visual stories? Open Capcut and tap on New Project to start a fresh creation. Now, select all the photos you want to combine into your collage, and then tap Add at the bottom. You will see your photos arranged in a timeline. To combine them visually, tap on Overlay at the bottom. You may have to scroll to the left to find the Overlay button. Drag each photo to arrange it on top of the main image, creating a layered effect. Resize them by pinching in or out to fit your desired composition. Fine-tune each photo by tapping on it and using the Edit tools. Crop, rotate, or adjust colors to make them blend seamlessly. Add some flair. Select a photo, then choose the animation option. Experiment with intro and outro animations to give your collage a dynamic touch. Next, tap on the white line between two photos to open the transition menu. Pick a transition that complements your style, like a subtle fade or a dynamic slide. Enhance your collage with text and stickers. Tap text or stickers at the bottom and add creative elements to tell your story. Once you are satisfied, tap the export icon at the top right to save your masterpiece. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate before exporting. Now you're ready to share your amazing photo collage on social media. Don't forget to use the hashtags #CapCutTutorial and #PhotoCollage.